Quick update. There is the dam. I've been walking on the other side. Now I'm going from this side. But it's absolutely amazing. There's nobody here. I would like to be somewhere up here, up there. I think this trail is gonna take me there. Okay, I see you up there. Look at this. I think that is a corn dew way up there. I've been there last year, or maybe this. I don't know how well you're gonna be, guys, gonna be able to hear me because it's very windy. But guess what? There is a bike on the top of that hill. I think it may be the same guy. He's coming down this way. Oh, it wasn't easy to get all the way up here, but I made it somehow. So I'm gonna get to the top, and then I'm gonna try to make my way down to the bike. I think it's gonna be that's it for today. I'm not super tired, but it's been quite an adventure. So yeah, get you on the top. Oh, I found a quiet spot that I can speak probably still. Wind's gonna make noise, but I can avoid this. I'm almost at the top. It's so worth it. There's like 3 horses down there. I've been following the trail, but I think that trail was made by the sheep. Not sheep, sorry, sheep. Shown the sheep. I'm almost there. Okay. So yeah, let's go then. It's gonna be noisy. It's not warm here. It's very windy. Maybe I'm gonna hide from the wind in this when I go down a little bit. Whew. I think coming closer to that road I mentioned before, the one which is drivable. I think I'm gonna assess that on the way down, but I don't think I'm gonna come up. Like a mountain goat. We are way away from the dam. Damn. Okay, I get to the road and I will continue. Oops. Oh. Oh, there is a gate, because this is this magnificent national forest, which is just been cut down. Oh, if I could save a tree, I could live with the plastic furniture, really, because it's sad anywhere in the world, really. I'm not kind of Greenpeace tree hugger, but I don't like it. This is destroying everything for profit, nothing else. Oh wow. So yeah, this is the road I've been talking about, and I don't know, and maybe I can come all the way here with the bike, if it's allowed. I don't know, maybe I'll do it tomorrow when I adjust my chain, if I adjust my chain. So have a look, because this road looks just normal gravel road, but I think the gateway on the bottom is narrow, so you can't get in with car. Ah, yes. Oh yeah, well, okay. Oh no, that's not the way. And this is the part of the road I seen next to the car park. I think, yeah, because this is the way I came to the dam, this way. And this is what I seen on the other side. Well, quick update. I'm walking. Luckily I've got my sat nav here, which is showing me the way to the car park, because well, that was my plan, to go through this road. That maybe not necessarily walking, but oh well. He says that it's far. So yeah, I'm gonna carry on walking. I'll let you know when something interesting happens. For now, it's just a road in the forest. Whew, I think finally I'm on the right path. I'm just walking down through this forestry road, and to be honest, it's quite amazing up here. Very old forest, and look, it's like old trees, very quiet. But again, if it wasn't for my Garmin, it wouldn't be that easy to find a way back, because my phone only shows green space, nothing else. So yeah, I need to have a look on the map, and I'll be right back. I think I finally made it to the car park. It was interesting. Oh, that was an adventure and a half. But I don't know how many miles I've done. Many. Oh, I think I've got enough hiking for some time. I think I've done like, I don't know, I'd say 15 miles, more maybe, I don't know. But everything's fine. I'm sweaty AF and I don't want anything else, just cold beer. So next stop is gonna be some store, hopefully another one for £3.50. And yeah, so thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.